Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed some definitions. Today also we discuss one more definition, that is conjugate of a complex number. Here, conjugate of a complex number. What is the conjugate of a complex number? Suppose we take a complex number is z equals to a plus bi. Z equals to a plus bi is the complex number. Then conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. Conjugate of z is denoted by z bar and is defined as z bar equals to a minus bi. Simple, we change plus as minus. Okay, suppose here minus means that becomes plus. This is a simple conjugate of a complex number, means we have to change plus into plus by minus, minus by plus. Z equals to a plus bi means conjugate of z is z bar, that is equals to a minus bi. This is a simple definition. Suppose we take for example, if z equals to 2 plus 5i, z equals to 2 plus 5i, then z bar equals to 2 plus 5i whole bar. Okay, z bar equals to 2 plus 5i whole bar, then that is equals to 2 plus 5i whole bar equals to 2 minus 5. Just a simple, we put plus in place of plus we put minus. That is, we replace plus by minus. That is 2 plus 5i becomes 2 minus 5i. This is a simple definition of conjugate of a complex number. Now we take some problems here. We take example 2. Textbook example 2. Page number C, page number 8. Okay, example 2. Find the real and imaginary parts of the complex number of a plus ib by a minus ib. Or to find the real part and imaginary parts of this complex number. Suppose we take this complex number, we take as z. Okay, z equals to a plus ib by a minus ib. Now, to rationalize the denominator value, that is a minus ib. Rationalizing the denominator a minus ib. Rationalizing the denominator means we have to multiply and divide with the opposite sign. That is a minus ib means we have to multiply and divide by a plus ib. See, a plus ib by a minus ib as it is into opposite sign, that is a plus ib by a plus ib. We have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Now, a plus ib into a plus ib by a minus ib into a minus ib. Now simple multiplication, that is a into a, that is a into a and a into ib, a into ib, and now ib into a, ib into a. Next ib into this ib, that is ib into ib. Now multiplication, denominator multiplication, that is a into a into a. Next one a into ib, that is a into ib minus ib into a, minus ib into a, the same as minus ib into ib. Okay. Now a into a becomes a square. So no, a into a becomes a square, and you get the next IAB. Which okay, a into ib is IAB, and the same as a here I into BA is IAB only. Next IB into IB is I square and B into B is B square. And the same as denominator value A into A is A square, A into IB is IAB, and IB into A is IAB. Next to IB into IB is I square B square. That is we get here. Okay. This is now A square plus IAB plus IAB plus I square B square. Here IAB means 2AB into I, that is A square as it is A square, IAB plus IAB, 2IAB, that is I into 2AB, plus I square value you know that minus 1, that is minus into plus minus B square as it is B square. Now plus IAB and minus IAB here cancel, Now remaining terms are a square. Next to minus plus I square value is minus 1. Then minus I square value is plus 1. That means plus 1 into b square is b square. Now here a square minus b square is the real part. That's why you write here a square minus b square. Next to I to ab is here by a square plus b square. In this z equals to what we write a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is the real part. Next to I term is nothing but imaginary part. That is 2ab by a square plus b square. This is the imaginary part. Therefore, real part value is a square minus b square by a square plus b square, and imaginary part value is 2ab by a square plus b square. Now, next problem. Now, example 5. Here, determine the locus of z. Determine the locus of z. Here z value is not equals to 2i. Z value compulsory not equals to 2i such that real part of z minus 4 by z minus 2i equals to 0. Here z value not equals to 2i. Why? Because here z value is 2i means 2i minus 2i value is 0. Something by 0 is not defined. That's why here z value compulsory not equals to 2i condition, and therefore we have to find the real part of z minus 4 by z minus 2i value is equals to 0 given here. To find the locus of z, to find the circle equation. Okay, now solution. So here z value, suppose we take z value is x plus iy. Why? Because this is the complex number. That's why we take z equals to x plus iy. Then this z minus 4 by z minus 2, we have to take this one only. Okay, in bracket value, that is z minus 4 by z minus 2, that is equals to z. Already we assume that x plus iy. Substitute here z in place of z, we substitute x plus iy. Minus 4 as is minus 4. In the same as z value is x plus iy. Minus 2i is as is minus 2i. Now real part values are x minus 4 here. X and minus 4 are the real part values and iy is the imaginary part. Okay. Now x minus 4 plus iy. Next, in the same as here in denominator value, x is the real part value, that is x. Plus here iy minus 2i. Here both I values, that means I common, that y minus 2 is the imaginary part. Now we have to rationalizing the denominator value. Rationalizing the denominator. Simple rationalizing means we have to multiply and divide with this opposite sign. That is same value but opposite sign. That is x minus 4 plus iy by x plus I into y minus 2, same as is, into we have to multiply and divide with the opposite sign. That is x minus I into y minus 2 by x minus I into y minus 2. Now numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Just like okay. Now multiplication, that is to multiply a real part, that is x minus 4 into this x minus 4 into x. Now plus value x minus 4 value is plus into this minus, that is minus x minus 4 into this total value I into y minus 2, total value right here as it is. Now second term, that is iy. Now to multiply with iy into x here plus into this minus, that is what we minus, what we get minus, plus into minus is minus. Now iy as is iy into this total value, that is I into y minus 2. Okay, so here okay. Now x into here a plus b into a minus b. Actually this is a plus ib into a minus ib. Now formula a plus ib into a minus ib is a square plus b square. This is a simple formula, but we already know that okay, a plus b into a minus b. This is a simple formula. Okay, that is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. We know that one, that we take that formula here, a square plus a square minus b square. Here a is nothing but x, b is nothing but y minus 2, I into y minus 2, sorry, I into y minus 2. That's why here a square means x square minus b square. B square means I square into y minus 2 whole square. Okay. Now to multiply this each and every term, that is x into x is x square. Now minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Now next minus here total I value. This total value is I terms. That's why here I we taken as common I into, now x into y is xy. Now x into minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Now again I into xy, yx or xy is ixy minus I into this I, that is I square, y into y, that is y square, y into minus 2, that is minus 2y. Okay. Now x square, denominator value, x square as is x square, minus I square value. In last class we observe I square value is -1 and minus I square value is +1, that is +1 into y minus 2 whole square. Now numerator value x square minus 4x as is minus I into, here minus I, here also I term, we take common I. Here we take minus I common. Minus I common means these total terms as it is. Okay, that is xy minus 2x minus 4y plus 8. But here minus I is common means here signs change. That is plus becomes minus. That is the xy as is xy. Minus I square value already will another plus 1 into this y square minus 2y is y square minus 2y. Denominator value as is x square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now x square minus 4x. Now minus I into here xy and xy plus xy minus xy get cancelled. Now minus here minus 2x minus 4y as is plus 8 as is. Now here x square minus 4 is the real part and minus I means this is the imaginary part up to this one. Now this is the real part. Again y square minus 2 is the real part. That's why we write real part values total one side, that is x square minus 4x plus y square minus 2y. Now minus here negative terms are minus 2x and minus 4y are the negative term, that's why we take minus common. Then here already we have minus, that means minus into minus then it becomes plus I into, that is 2x plus 4y plus 8 becomes minus 8. Why? Because signs change. Okay, minus 8. Now same denominator value is same as it is x square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now here we take what we have to find here, real part of given one condition, real part of z minus 4 by z minus 2i value is 0. Now in this real part value is this one. This is the real part or not? This real part value is this total value by this denominator value is nothing but the real part. This imaginary part value by total value is nothing but imaginary part. That's why we take real part of this is real part value is this one, this total. That is x square minus 4x plus y square minus 2y by x square plus y minus 2 whole square. This is the real part value is equals to given condition is 0. That is we taken as here this one. Now this value total, okay, total value is 0 means the denominator value must be not equals to 0. Why? Because okay, suppose this value something by 0 values does not exist. That's why this value is does not equals to 0. That is x square plus y minus 2 whole square is not equals to 0. Suppose this value is 0, this total value does not exist. That's why this value is compulsory not equals to 0. That means denominator value not equals 0 means denominator value non-zero. Again numerator by denominator means compulsory numerator value becomes 0. That's why we take x square minus 4x plus y square minus 2y equals to 0. Okay, here observe here x square minus 4x and y square minus 2y. Okay, now observe what we write here, x square minus 4x can be written as 2 into x into 2. This is nothing but a square minus 2ab. That is a square minus 2ab plus something, that is b square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have one formula, that is a minus b whole square. That's why we have to add here 2 square value. Why? Because here by comparing a square minus 2ab, b means here what we in place of b we have 2. That's why here we take b square value is nothing but 2 square value plus y square minus 2y is also same, a square minus 2 into y into 2 into y means 2y. That is you have to multiply only one value, that is into 1. That means a square minus 2ab. B value is here, b in place of b only 1. That's why we have to add here 1 square value, that is b square value. Now total value what we have to add here, okay, 2 square, that is 4 plus 1 square is nothing but 1. 4 plus 1 5 value. The adding here 5 means compulsory we have to subtracting 5, that is minus 5. Okay, that is equals to asterisk value, that is 0. Now this can be done, this total value can be done as a minus b whole square formula. That's why we use here a minus b whole square formula, that is x minus 2 whole square. And here also a minus b whole square, that is y minus 1 whole square. This minus 5 take right side, that it becomes plus 5. And condition is x square plus y minus 2 whole square is not equals to 0. Now therefore x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 5. And here's one more condition, that is suppose x value is 0 and y value is 2. What we get here, x value is 0 means 0 square 0, this total value here is 0. plus y value is 2 means 2 minus 2 value is 0. 0 square value is 0. 0 plus 0 value is 0. Therefore, this condition is compulsory. This value is not equals to 0. That's why here x and y value does not equals to 0 comma 2. If suppose x comma y values are 0 comma 2, then the total value is does not exist. That's why here x comma y value not equals to 0 comma 2. In this condition, we get a circle equation, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 5. In this center, this is the circle equation. In this center is 2 comma 1. There is 2 comma 1 is the center, and also here 5 is nothing but here root 5 is the radius. Is the radius. Okay, I don't know if you understand now. Okay, thank you.